Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And this unit I'm demonstrating today, it is actually going to go into a mobile home. This comes from Bob. And I'm going to have to call Bob to remember where he lives. I think there was some confusion on work orders and stuff like that. But at any rate, Bob has requested the modern internal conversion to increase the output power and also the Bluetooth and USB features. Let's go ahead and turn it on. I have it set to FM at the moment. I have all 5 of these stations set. I have all 5 of the presets set to FM stations in my area for a quick check. Okay, that one looks like that one may have drifted a bit. There we go. Okay, now we're going to switch to AM, and we get one strong station around the center of the dial. We might pick up a weak one along the way. Apparently not. Okay, there's our strong AM station. So while we have it on that, let's demonstrate a couple of functions here. Let's demonstrate the now. I never use the original fader control, front rear fader. They're self-destructive by design, and most of them no longer work. So we have a front rear fader and a left-right balance control. It's all in the tone control, and I'm going to show you. First, we're going to activate the front rear fader. We do that by giving our tone control 2 turns to the right. So, of course, the first thing I'll do is turn it to the center so there's room to turn it to the right. So let's bring our output level meters in the picture so we can see the results of our adjustments. Okay, front rear fader, 2 turns to the right. I decided not to just fader adjust. Okay, so now the same knob is adjusting your front rear speaker balance all the way front, all the way rear, all the way front, all the way here. Now that little ticky here lets you know that you're in the center, just in case you're wondering what the heck that's all about. Okay, we're pretty well centered, so let's let it time out. Fader set, just timed out. Okay, now we're going to adjust the left-right balance control. Same procedure, except we turn on tone control twice to the left to activate that. Balance adjust. Okay, so now we're adjusting our left-right balance with our tone control. Adjust it as long as you want to. When you stop adjusting it, it'll wait about 2 seconds, and then balance is set. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode. We give our volume control 2 turns to the right to activate that. Bluetooth ready to pair. Okay, so she says Bluetooth ready to pair. So the unit is now trying to pair with a portable audio device, and of course I don't do all that on the video. I just make sure it goes into pairing mode, indicating that it's working properly. 90 seconds from now, or from then, that lady will come back on saying pairing not completed. While we're waiting for that, let's make sure the USB stick will play when plugged into the USB receptacle. Okay, that's my radio commercial. Pull the stick, radio comes back. Okay, now we're going to play the 8-track. Got some Neil Sedaka here in a Jim Reeves case. Okay, make sure we got both speakers, all 4 speakers. Switch tracks a bunch of times. Okay, we're at the end of a song here, so that's a test tone that you're hearing. Okay, we got no music between tracks, indicating proper head adjustment.
Pairing not completed.
Okay, as promised, she comes back on saying, pairing not completed. Okay, we're going to hit our eject button. Tape comes out, radio comes back. Let's put this radio back on FM. I must have accidentally hit the, I never put it back to FM. Okay, so that takes care of that. As you can see, of course, the dial light is functioning. when you turn the radio on, the light will come on. With the radio off and you get your dash lighting, the light will come on at that time too. Whenever you insert a tape, it turns off that light, just in case you're worried about that. So that concludes a test of the mid-70s Delco AM-FM-8 track converted to modern electronics with USB and Bluetooth. Thank you very much, Bob, for your business. Thank you guys for watching and listening. My phone number is 928-533-9666. My website's in the description below. Thanks again for watching and listening, guys, and we'll see you next time.